Well, what is up, friends, fam? Oh, hello. So, as you can see, this is my very first experience with Glow Addict. What I'm noticing is that they're starting to have sister brands. It's like getting too much. It's like, whoa! They have a skincare box I'm interested in. I'm thinking of maybe doing that. I don't know. We'll see. And then there's another sister brand where, no, the Glow Addict, I think, is the one that with the skincare. Now they have another one, another box like this, a sister brand. And then there's this lifestyle one or something, or this healthy lifestyle beauty box. I don't know. So I wrote on the back here. So they do have a this is a monthly box. They have the $24.99 skincare one. There's a $13.99 beauty box, and you get 4 to 6 products, full size. And then there's an $18.99 where it's 5 to 7 full size products, and I chose to do the $18.99 one, and I believe I had to pay shipping with it. I think I did get a percentage off. I can't remember. I should have looked that up, shouldn't I have? Anyways, so this doesn't feel like a super, I know makeup products can be light. This doesn't feel like a super heavy box. I'm really interested in the skincare one. So yeah, let's open this bugger up. I think it's pretty, the little gold flecks. There's really not too much info on the outside box besides how they have Instagram and then Facebook. So let's get this bitch open. First impressions. Yeah, I've been seeing this box pop up more so, or on YouTube. All right, so they sent me 5 items. Okay. So they sent me 5 items, which I guess is not bad. So this is how the inside of the box looked. I thought they put those noodle things in, or those paper worms. I'm excited. I see this Medusa's Makeup eyeshadow palette. So now there's no card in here. There's no card in here. I had been wondering where this box was. And the customer service, they got back to me very promptly. Not like immediately, but they got back within the time allotted, or whatever I should say. And I had asked where it was. And they had said that they were waiting on this coffee lip scrub. So here, let's talk about that first. So this is a CBD coffee lip scrub. It smells just like coffee. I bet you can make your own coffee lip scrub if you took some coffee grains and mixed some sugar in with it. Because that's what it looks like. We're not going to try this now. I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to try the lashes and this palette some other time. This is just going to be a first impression. This isn't going to be like my Ipsy where... Now, I don't know if this will be uploaded before my Ipsy, but I did a June Ipsy, and I did a complete makeup look. In fact, what I look like right now, I probably look like crap because that was at like 3 o'clock this morning when I had to get ready to start my day and go to the doctor. So anyways, I don't like that this isn't packaged. I don't know. So I got to wash this. It's very soft. It feels like velvet. It's a Booty Blender. Not the brand, I don't think. But there's like little fuzzies. But yeah, this isn't... Why was this not packaged in something? And what's that hard thing in it? I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Other unboxings that I've seen of it, it just seems like this just was like... It was packaged nicely, but it just... There's no protection in here to keep the palette from busting. And frankly, I thought I was going to get... I was hoping I know it says 5 to 7 products. I was just kind of hoping that... All right. Sorry about that. You're going to see it skipping over because I had to release you onto my computer. So let's try to finish this up. So what I was saying is I was kind of hoping, because this is a great deal for the box. This is awesome what you get. But I was kind of hoping, I just want the best deal for under $20. You know what I mean? So I mean, this is a good deal for under $20, but what I'm meaning is give us more than 5 products. Give us that 7th product. You know? But so, okay. The next thing, I've heard of Ruby May Cosmetics. I've never personally tried Ruby May. So these are Ruby May Premium 3D Lashes. Does it come with a glue or anything? I don't know how much any of this stuff is. These are beautiful lashes. Okay, so no applicator or no... All right, let's try it again. Sorry about that. I wasn't responsible, and clear more space up. You can't just put your stuff onto your computer and expect things to be fine. But okay, so anyways, I say about lash applicators and the glue coming with the lashes because there's a lot of affordable lashes like Kiss brand, Ardell, Elf that will come at least with the applicator. So that's why I said that. So I'm not complaining. But a lot of brands don't. But so I'm not. These are gorgeous. They look really pretty. I usually don't like the band like that. I like the lashes without the band because these bands are uncomfortable. The ones without that thick band like that are comfortable. So, okay. Well, let's just put that back in the box. So let's save the best for last. The palette. This next is J.J. Young by KOLN Lab. The Lower Lift. Firm and Lift. Brighten and Tone Up. Rejuvenate and Firming. Sebum and Exfoliation. Reaches tip of nose. Calm, Hydrate, Firm and Lift. U-Zone Sheet Mask. So yeah. Customized upper and lower sheet mask for your skin. So, okay. Yeah, we love these. So now let's open up this gorgeous palette. I don't know if it's gorgeous. I'm just saying. And yeah, I've been wanting to try Medusa's makeup. In fact, they even have a beauty subscription. I was looking at them because I want to try different subscriptions. I want to try as many as I can, not all at once. I want to spread it out. It's like a fine wine. You don't want it all at once. You want to take your time, like with a lover. But in my case, well, I have my lover. He's my husband. But I'm talking about in the beauty product department. So, I'm really excited. From what I've heard is Medusa's makeup is cruelty-free and vegan. So this is called Electro. It's cute, cute, cute. And it feels magnetic, and I dropped the sheet out, so. Ooh, guys, there's a mirror. The pans aren't very big, but they're really pretty. It looks like we have some pressed glitters in here. And then we have some mattes. And then we have some glitter shadows. So we have some pressed glitters, glitter shad pigment with a you'll see. So, ooh, there's not really a smell to it. It is magnetic palette. It's really pretty. I'm loving these rainbow colors. Gorgeous. Let me just. Been wanting a good yellow. Okay, guys, let's finish this up. So let me do some finger swatches. I had started, and then whatever. So let's do some finger swatches. To me, a proper swatch is when you use a eyeshadow brush because. Well, no, it could be with your fingers. Like today, when I did my eye look, I used a brush for all over my eye, but when I applied the bottom orangey shimmery color on the bottom of my lid, I used my fingers. So, who's to say which way is the proper swatch anymore? Yeah, because I use both. So, let's try this again. Ooh. That yellow doesn't seem too pigmented, even with wiping my finger in it. So, here's what they look like there. Hey, that's actually really pretty. Maybe it's just because it's a light color. Huh? Let me get this. So that was a top row. So that was the top row, the mattes. Let's do the middle row, which with flecks of glitter in it. Can't wait to use this. Do a pretty rainbow look. Ooh, got all the colors. So that one is the one with glitter. I don't know if I was up too high. Sorry if I was. And then this bottom row. Oh, there's 3 flat pressed glitters and then one like the second row. So, you know, when you get these funner colors, they tend to stain. Okay. That white one, that's probably not gonna. Here, let's try this. That's not gonna come up good. Okay, so that's the white one. I should use makeup remover. Oh well. So let's try these 3 pressed glitters. They look like pressed glitters. Yeah. Well, this one feels more like a pressed glitter. The silver one. So that's the bottom row. So that silver one came out really good. I don't know. I have a Morphe palette with pressed glitters. I don't know what to call this. And the Morphe palette with the pressed glitters, it came up more glittery. So I don't know. I mean, these came up glittery, but these, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, guys. So what do I think about this box? I think this is a great box. And I wish it would have had more secure packaging. If not the noodle things, I'm glad the noodle things weren't in there because those tend to get all over the place. But I wish it just would have been more, because mail carriers, sometimes they just throw boxes. And then where we get our mail at, this hotel we live at, they're just throwing boxes all over the place. But, yeah, because with this being dropped, that Medusa palette could have busted, you know? So, but, and I'm not too keen on this sponge not being in a package. So, but we'll wash it. It feels like velvet, but I wish I knew the brand. That's the thing. I wish there was a little more information on the information card. So, but okay, you guys. Is this gonna be a subscription that I keep? I'm gonna say right now, possibly yes. Possibly yes. I may not do it every month because after a while you get overwhelmed, especially with other boxes. But yeah, not every single time I get a box am I going to want to play with the stuff, you know. I think when you get your boxes, especially if you do content, that you should play with the stuff so you can show your audience how the stuff works. So, but okay, you guys. Thank you for stopping by. Why don't you subscribe? And not because I need you to, because I would love you to. This is my hobby, so this isn't my job. So I don't need, that's why I'm saying I don't need you to subscribe, because I don't get paid for views or anything. I am just doing it for the views. Well, no, not just doing it for the views. I'm doing this because I enjoy creating content and to connect others, to help me step out of my comfort zone. And this is a form of therapy for me. So, and plus, besides that, I am very passionate about makeup and beauty. I love it, I live it, I breathe it. But, okay, you guys, have a beautiful evening, and I will talk to you later. Bye.